Good day everyone, I am Kelly from BSFT1C and today I will be doing an activity or an experiment regarding rectilinear motion. So, ano nga bang rectilinear motion? It is also called as a straight line motion na ang definition niya can be stated as a motion that occurs along a single direction only. So, yung entire motion na to can be described without needing use of vectors. So, ang materials na ginamit ko is I have this inclined plane. Improvise siya lahat from screen doors or window siya. And ang haba niya is 1 meter or 100 centimeters. Then I have this bar dito, parang metal bar, as a support siya kapag nag-roll na yung marble, para hindi magdire-diretso, para ma-stop siya. And I also have this stand. It's made from wood. And meron siyang tatlong levels. Ang ginamit ko sa pag-level na to is pako. I have this 10 centimeters, meron akong 20 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. So, I also have this marble na ang size niya is 2.5 centimeters in diameter. And I also have a phone. Gagamitin ko siya for stopwatch and a pen and paper para sa recording. Next naman, ang procedure natin, mag-roll lang ako ng marble from each level and 3 times ko siya gagawin or 3 attempt ko siya gagawin. So, start sa may starting point from 10 centimeters hanggang mag-stop siya dito and then i-record ko siya and then ulitin ko pa ng 2 beses and gagawin ko din yon sa 20 centimeters and sa 30 centimeters. So, yung objective natin sa experiment na to is to find out what is the relationship between the velocity and height sa may stand natin. And after this experiment, we will be answering the question, yung kung ano nga bang average velocity ng marble at 40 centimeters and 50 centimeters na magbe-base lang tayo sa mga trials na ginawa kanina. Kumbaga, without doing the experiment. So, solve natin yun. And also, kung may constant ba. So, let's start.
Reaching out to you in the dead of the night. No matter where I go, always under by your side. At the end of this journey, time has led me back to my home. Now I found the way back home.
Already done with the trials and I made a table for the datas I have acquired earlier. Starting off with the 10 centimeters in height, I obtained an average velocity of 0.54 meters per second. At 20 centimeters in height, I obtained 0.73 meters per second. And lastly, at 30 centimeters in height, I obtained average velocity of 0.90 meters per second. Based on the data I have, we can now conclude that as height increases, the velocity also increases because the higher the ramp, the more gravitational potential energy or GPE. So the more GPE, the more kinetic energy converted and the car faster it will go. So that as ramp increases, the velocity will also increase. Proceeding sa question na what is the average velocity at 40 and 50 centimeters without doing the experiment or recording the processes itself. So to answer that, we need to get the constant. So how we will do that? As you can see sa table data natin, from 10 centimeters to 20 centimeters, nag-increase ng 0.19 meters per second. And from 20 centimeters to 30 centimeters, nag-increase siya ng 0.17. So, gagawin natin yung 0.19 and 0.17 is most likely equal to 0.20 meters per second. So, yung 0.20 will serve as our constant to get yung average velocity of 40 and 50 centimeters. So, add lang natin yung 0.20 to 0.19 from average velocity sa 30 centimeters height. Makukuha natin dyan is 1.1. And also, 0.20 plus 1.1, you will get 1.3. So for 40 centimeters in height, we have an average velocity of 1.1 meters per second, while in 50 centimeters in height, we have 1.3 meters per second. Diba? We solved for those two in just basing from the data we have obtained earlier from the experiment. So, habang nag-i-increase ng 10 centimeters in height, nag-i-increase yung velocity ng marble ng 0.20 meters per second, or what we call our constant. Thus, in conclusion, the ramp or height increases, the velocity will also increase. Always remember that the shortest distance is a straight line, but it may not be the fastest route. So if life gives you curves and bends, it is actually accelerating you to your destined destination. Thank you.
Reaching out to you in the